It's me, Mikey Pipes. Hope all is well. Just got out of the pool. They had to fix the cover, but I just got a delivery. Let's go see what I got. Let's go see what I got. Let's go see. It's gonna be fun and exciting. It's okay. The wife helped. She's a good wife. Made in the USA. Look at this. Not the Don Julio. Not that case. Don Julio. Not that. Designed USA. Engineered USA. Assembled USA. Lochnivar. This is a Lochnivar Noble fire tube combi that is replacing a blank. So, in this video, we're having a giveaway. And no, you're not going to get this NKC 199N fire tube combi. You're not going to get that. I'm sorry. But I'm going to pick 3 answers. I need 3 people to guess what recently installed wall hung combi that my company installed we're taking out and putting that in. You want some background hints? Let me give you a couple hints. For starters, I would like to talk about LochnivarUniversity.com, a phenomenal source for a wealth of knowledge. These folks at Lochnivar don't play any games. I've watched, I want to say dozens, but I think hundreds of online training videos at Lochnivar University. And in every single model, there are certain procedures you must take to ensure that the heat exchanger does not have any leaks. They tell you that upon disassembly, to clean the heat exchanger, you need to make sure that the gasket is intact, has its integrity, and that you must check to make sure it's leak-free. On my information and belief, so many, well, all of them, except for, they want you to test that. As a plumber or HVAC technician, they want you to make sure that the heat exchanger does not have any leaks, whether it's combustion gases, natural gas, or any of that other nasty stuff that's associated with combustion gas, i.e. carbon monoxide. Little bubbles, micro bubbles, is indicative of a leak. And Lochnivar wants you to make sure that there are no leaks on their heat exchanger. Now, why is that? Well, in my opinion, as a plumbing and HVAC professional, and hundreds of thousands of other people also in the same position I'm in, also believe the same way. Plumbers have been using soapy water for decades, if not centuries, to show that the fittings and joints don't leak. And when it bubbles up, well, guess what? Unfortunately, you have a leak. And if you're putting in new gas piping, it's going to fail a test, a pressure test, and it's also going to show with soapy bubbles. So why is one manufacturer different? I don't know, but I think time will tell. But nonetheless, back to the giveaway. The rules of this giveaway are simple. Number 1, comment and tag the company that you believe is the brand of system that I am taking out that was recently installed. So, at company name will be your answer. If you guess, for a bonus, the right model number, you're going to get some extra swag. Now, I am going to pick several people. The rule was at 3 when I first recording this, but I reached out to the folks at Lochnivar. I reached out to my marketing team, and we're going to increase it to many. So guess the brand, and if you're lucky enough, the model of the unit that I'm taking out and installing a brand new Lochnivar Noble Fire Tube Combi 199. you're going to get a free Pipe Doctor hat and a Pipe Doctor shirt. Well, this is not a Pipe Doctor shirt, but you get the point. And you're not going to get a pound of free gold. I'm sorry. It's not happening. It's a lot of money. It's all good, though. Nice try. So make sure you thumbs up this video. If you haven't done so already, subscribe. And remember to tag at company name your answer. Now, if your company name is at Burnham, it's at US Boiler. If your company name is at Lars, it's at Lars, the @ Lars. If the company name is at Wiesman, it's at Wiesman. But you know well, I don't want to give you any hints. I already gave you plenty of hints. But I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to go back in the pool. Be well. God bless. Thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Mikey Pipes signing off. God bless. Be well. Stay safe.